this lesson, you'll learn how to bind a chart control to data and display the data using multiple series. To do this, we'll manually bind each data series to the data set. So let's get started. I'll start with a new WinForms application. From the toolbox, select the chart control and drop it onto the form. We won't use the wizard for this demo, so click Cancel. Dock the chart control to fill the entire form. Select the chart control and from its smart tag, click the link to invoke the data source configuration wizard. In the following dialog, select a data source to bind to. Let's choose Database. Select the inwind.mdb file, the demo Northwind database. When asked whether to copy the file into a project folder, click No. Now select the Products table and click Finish. Select the series item from the Smart Tag link list to invoke the Series Collection Editor window. Add two series, one of bar view type and another of point view type. The chart is filled with sample data. We should define the data source for each series. Set the data source property to the already created Products binding source, the argument data member property to product name, and the value data members to unit price. Then repeat the same assignments for the second series. We have bound series to data, but the chart doesn't display them yet. To see a preview of the chart, we can use the Populate link from the Smart Tag task list. Since there are too many points, the chart is somewhat difficult to read. We can use data filters to show data for a particular category only. Open the Data Filter Collection Editor and add a new item. Then specify the column name and value. Create a data filter with the same parameters for the second data series. Now we should change several parameters to improve the chart appearance. Set the Show in Legend property for each series to false, since we don't need a legend for this chart. Make the first series labels invisible. Change the angle of label connector to 90 degrees. Use another shape for point markers. And for this example, let's choose an inverted triangle and increase the size of the marker. You'll notice that the labels of axis X are overlapped. To fix this, we'll change their angle to 20 degrees and set the anti-aliasing option to true for better readability. And we're done with the chart customization. The code for populating the data table object with data from the database is already written by the Visual Studio designer. Now let's run the application to see the chart with series bound to data individually. For further information, please refer to the XtraCharts documentation by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.